Hello, today, we're going to teach you how to use our BTSE Trading Bot, a new feature on our platform. BTSE Trading Bot is an automated trading bot platform. It provides a streamlined, easy-to-use interface for users to automate and monitor their trades. Today we'll show you how the web version works. After you log in and go to the Trading Bot section, the first page that you'll see is the Bots page. This bar displays your realized P&L, your win and loss ratio, the number of trades you've executed, annual percentage yield, and all-time profits or losses. Next, let's go to the graph below. Here, you can visualize your profit and win and loss ratio over time. On the right, you can find your daily profits and losses. As you can see, most of the profits were made on October 21st. At the bottom, you can see all of your active and inactive bots. Let's move to the sidebar. Here, you can toggle between your bots and a record of all of your individual trades. In the top right-hand corner, you can also toggle between the live and simulated modes. Let's create your first bot. To create a new bot, click on the New Bot link. You'll see that there are 8 types of bots. For now, let's create a quick start bot. This is where you can set the configuration for your new bot. First, we need to pick a trading pair. With the trading bot, you can trade with fiat and stablecoins as your base currency. For this demonstration, I will choose a Bitcoin and USD trading pair. The left side notation, which in this case is Bitcoin, is known as your base currency. The right side notation, which is USD, is known as your quoted currency. Keep in mind that if you want to trade both directions, you'll have to configure separate bots for each direction. Next, let's go to Trade Parameters. Here, you can decide how much money you want to trade, and you can also see how much money you have available. Let's set the bot at 1,000 US dollars. The bot will automatically decide how to best allocate 1,000 US dollars. You can backtest this bot's strategy over the past year to see how it would have performed. As you can see, you would have made a 223% profit, with 2 trades spaced out over 2 days. Each of these trades would have lasted for 45 days each before exiting automatically. Finally, click on Create Bot, and you should be able to see the status of your bot at the bottom of the dashboard. Now let's go to the Trades section. Here you can find detailed information about each and every trade that your bots are executing. Here, you can see open trades, completed trades, and the trade log. After your bot turns on, you'll be able to find your first trade order in the Open Trades section. You can see on the right-hand side whether or not a bot is running, and you can turn it off by going back to the bots page and toggling the bot from active to inactive. That's all for today. For more information, please read the user guide and FAQ on the top right corner, or check out our other tutorials.